So today topic is going to be the most wonderful one. Everybody now the trend is belly button piercing. Yes, most of the girls are more interested, even though guys also have more interest to getting the belly piercing done nowadays. So in this video we are going to talk about the complete overview of belly button piercing and navel piercing, how it's done and what are all the procedures, healing, aftercare, science behind it, all the things. So can't wait now, just get into the topic now. I'm Suresh Macho. I'm the founder of Macho Tattoos and I am the certified artist from the Miami for the piercing. So in this video we are going to talk about the belly button piercing. So what is belly button piercing and what's the science behind it? So comparing all other piercing, many of them thinks belly button will be going to be more painful, but truly comparing all the piercings, belly button piercing is the least painful one. So in this video we are going to talk about the belly button piercing. So what is belly button piercing and what's the science behind it? So comparing all other piercing, many of them thinks belly button will be going to be more painful, but truly comparing all the piercings, belly button piercing is the least painful one. You heard me very right. It's almost similar to the pain of normal ear piercing. Yes, because of the more fleshy part, it gives you the much more lesser pain comparing to the other things. And the science behind it is we are going to make a piercing on the extra loose area of the muscle, so that is not contains any of the cartilages. So that is the most huge advantage about it, and it will heal beautifully. So point number 2, will it hurt so much and how long will this take to heal? When talk about the pain wise, as I said to you earlier, it's the most least painful one, but it may be painful if you did not get it done from the professional piercer. Yes, you heard me right. If you go ahead with the backyard operators or non-professional one without certified one, then there are risks involved in this and it may be more painful also. I have seen many of the clients who already did the belly button piercing and it's got infected and they came to us for the piercing once again to be done. So those times and all, what happens, they go more depth into the skin. So in that way they are tend to damage the muscle. Due to the muscle stress, it will start to get swell and it will get infected. That's one reason. And there is another reason called the sometimes when they put the piercings on the particular places, they go wrongly. Instead of the straight vertical positions, they go little cross. So when they do that, there are a lot of chance of infections. You can't able to change your stud properly. All these things are used to happen if they do the piercings wrongly. So always keep in mind, when you do the belly button piercing, choose the best piercer to reduce your pain level as well as the healing time. Point number 3, will this get infected? Yes, as I said you earlier, if you try with the backyard operators, there are chances of infection will happen. But at the same time, is there any other infections will happen during the healing period? Yes. The artist will recommend you particular healing process. Just follow as much as possible perfectly. If you cannot able to process it, or if you are giving more stress on that new belly button pierced place, you are doing abs workout or some stress, or if you are sweating so much, then there are chances of infection will happen. But don't worry, there is a remedy for this to be get corrected. We are having a creams which you can apply and you can protect that from the infections. We can help you out with that. And point number 4, aftercare. When we talk about this aftercare is much more simpler in belly button piercing. I will tell about what Macho Tattoos follows as aftercare. We follow aftercare so simple. There is no fancy stuff. We ask you to take a sea salt cream and mix it with the solutions and apply it. That's it. When you apply the sea salt mixed with the water and applying that solution, it gives you the much more better output. I highly recommend you to not use any oils or creams or any antibiotics. These are all tend to close that pierced wound. We don't want that wound to be closed. We want that wound to be open, but it should not get infected. That's the main concern behind it. So we always recommend you to apply the sea salt water solution on top of it. When you apply that, the infection will be completely goes off and it will give you the best result once got healed. So you may ask, what is the duration of healing time? I would say this will be takes a month to 2 months, 1 month or 2 months, but approximately some people it may takes 4 to 5 months also. So full completely healing period, we recommend that 5 to 6 months is the good time period of healing. Point number 6, how to change out a belly button piercing and when can I change it? Yes, this is one of the most crucial part when it comes to the belly button piercing, because many of the people thinks it's very hard to change the stud, but it is not if you get it done properly and from the professional piercer. Because once this piercing has been done, we recommend you to be change it on by yourself. If you go ahead others to be changing it, there are chances they goes in the wrong way, because as a person you got the piercing done, you know very well how the flow should be. So we recommend you to be go ahead and you to change the piercing. And when can I change it? The next question is, we recommend highly approximately 6 to 8 months. After 6 to 8 months of duration, we recommend you to change the stud. But if you are more willing to change it, then 2 months also fine. But it needs to be completely healed. There is no about particular time durations or something. If your belly piercing is got healed, if you feel like it's completely okay, then you can change your stud. There is no restrictions about it. That will take approximately 5 to 6 months of duration. Point number 7. What kind of jewelries we use while doing the belly piercing, button piercing? Yes, this is one of the most important questions everybody flash in the mind. I am sensitive for some of the metals, or this kind of metals will provide me much more allergic reactions. So these are all lot of questions we receive from our clients. In our Machu tattoos, we use implant grade stainless steel. Yes, implant grade stainless steel, and it will be suitable for all the skin types. It's 101 certified and 409 certified. So if you are a diabetics 1 patient, or if you are a small baby, if you are a 62-year-old person, 72-year-old person, nothing matters. It suits for everybody. It is the best stainless steel solutions to be get go ahead. Or if your budget is little bit extended and if you are okay to be go ahead, then we have the collection of titanium coated studs also. That is also a much more pure one. Titanium, as you all know, it's suitable for every skin type. There is no chemical reactions to be happened over there. And some of the people, they bring their own gold studs and do it also. We are ready to do it, but we don't do it with the silver studs. Yes, some of the people bring the silver studs or some local stainless steel studs brings from the market, and we are asking us to do it, and there are lot of times it will be start to tend to get infected. So we don't do it with the silver or normal local stainless steel studs. We will be recommended to grow here our implant grade stainless steel or titanium coated stainless steel if your budget is okay to be extended. In this way you can avoid the complete infection, and this is very skin friendly. So overall the summary is, we are experienced since 2007 and we are the most professional body piercer in India. So you can completely hope and be go ahead with the belly button piercing, and the way we have explained, you are all satisfied, I think. So let's go ahead and go through very fast. Pain wise, it's going to be much more minimal comparing other piercing. As well as the placement, it should be vertical and it should be straight on your body. It should not be tilted or it should not go sides on your body. And then the third important point is the duration of healing period as well as the aftercare. Duration of healing period will be 6 months to 8 months, and aftercare is so simple. Just take a sea salt and mix with the water, apply it, and it will be completely perfect to be go here. So I hope you all liked this video. If you like this video, click the like button, so the YouTube will be so happy and it will be goes to the more people. And if you are not yet subscribed to our channel, do consider subscribe our channel. You will be missing lot of contents if you did not. And we have attached our social media links in our description, so you can go through this, you can follow us, be in touch with us. We have attached our contact number also in the description, so if you want to get the piercing done, do contact us. Our team will be help you back. Until then, I am signing off, Suresh Machu. Don't die nude.